Asparagus is one of those vegetables that doesn't need much, but it does need confidence. Today we're keeping it bold with garlic and lemon and pairing it with rice to make it a full bowl. You'll need fresh asparagus, cooked rice, garlic, olive oil, lemon zest, lemon juice, salt, and black pepper. Bold, simple ingredients. Start with olive oil and garlic in a skillet and let it warm gently. Add the asparagus and cook until it turns bright green and tender with a slight snap. Finish with fresh lemon zest and a squeeze of lemon juice right at the end. Now it's time to build our bowl. Start by spooning warm rice into your bowl and letting it settle. Next, top the bowl with the garlicky asparagus and let it sit right on top. This is how you let one vegetable lead. If you like understanding how ingredients work together, take a look at simple formulas at yuminasnap.com. It breaks food down so it makes sense. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.